And welcome back. Now time for your lunchtime sports. Now Jamaica will find out later today if they'll take on either Costa Rica or Panama in the quarterfinals of the CONCACAF Nations League. Now based on the CONCACAF ranking index, Costa Rica are the lowest ranked team of the seeded teams at 4th. Canada, they're 3rd, the USA 2nd, and Mexico 1st. Jamaica, despite topping their group in the first round with 10 points, can be surpassed by either Trinidad and Tobago or Panama as the best qualifier from the first round. Trinidad oppose Curacao away, and Panama, they'll be at home to Guatemala. If Trinidad win, they'll play Costa Rica, and Jamaica square off with Canada. This will also be the case if Panama secure 3 points against Guatemala with a +2 goal difference and Trinidad fail to get 3 points. Now, if both teams draw their matches, then the Reggae Boyz will take on the Central American team, Costa Rica. Back home now, the Boom El Clasico preseason match between Arnett Gardens and Waterhouse FC will be rescheduled after being postponed due to security concerns on Monday. The Professional Football Jamaica Limited, PFJL, made the announcement on Monday, citing concerns from stakeholder groups over safety of all participants and attendees. It follows a 48-hour curfew being imposed in sections of Arnett Gardens, Hopeful Village, and sections of Torrington Park in the Kingston West Police Division. This after Saturday evening's killing of a man who residents say is a Don from the Top Jungle section of the community. The PFJL say they are planning to reschedule and provide further updates as soon as more information is available. Now, 11 matches are slated for the Issa Urban Area Manning Cup competition this afternoon, including defending champions Jamaica College battling Kingston Technical in a top-of-the-table Group C encounter. Both teams are locked on 18 points each, with JC leading the group on goal difference. Third-placed Tivoli Gardens on 16 points will also play away to 5th placed Meadowbrook High, while 4th placed Spanish Town High entertain the bottom-of-the-table Cumberland High. Group C leaders Haile Selassie host 4th placed Dunoon Technical, while 3rd placed Eltham High welcome bottom placed Grady Portmore High. And leaders Cedric Titus High will square off with 3rd placed Ocherius High as the playoff matches in Zone C of the Issa da Costa Cup competition continue this afternoon. William Knibb will also host Brownstown High, while Ferncourt welcome Botnut Gallimore in the other Zone C matches. Elsewhere, 2nd placed Adrenaline High play away to 4th placed Lennon High in Zone H, where 3rd placed Thompson Town also hosts Claude McKay. A total of 12 matches are scheduled to be contested. And that's the final whistle for now. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shane, back to you.